In this video, we're going to show you how we cook solar with a grill. Okay, there's the solar charge controller, and here's the inverter, and you can see it's at 14.3. We haven't plugged it in yet, 120 volts, and we're just charging a couple of deep cycle marine batteries. Okay, here's the burner that we hooked up direct, bypassing the temperature gauge. I just unplug it and plug it in if I need to control temperature, but we want it really hot. While heating up, buns go first. Buns. Okay, put the hamburgers on and we are smoking. I'm gonna flip them right now. Just flipped them. Look at that flame. Look at that. We call that flame broiled. Look at that go. Solar. What do you think, Tom?
Looks delicious. When do we eat?
Okay, unplugged it, and we're still at 12:06. Look at that. I could cook more stuff. Maybe I'll cook a red pepper and make some roasted pepper. Put the red pepper on. We're going to roast a red pepper. Okay, it is done. We're going to just take that off, put it in a bowl, cover it, let it sit, peel it, put it with some olive oil, and you've got roasted peppers. Okay, now that we're done cooking, we're going to start charging. And we're going to make a whole cabbage and sausage meal solar. Fresh cabbage. Okay, here we are. It's almost done. Free cooking. No propane, no charcoal, free. Okay, now that we're done cooking, we're going to start charging. Check that flame out. Making grilled chicken. Here we go. Look at that smoke, and we already cooked that much, and look at that. Look at that flame. So we're done now at 10.4. So we're going to disconnect and say we're done. Okay, now that we're done grilling, we're going to use the solar to recharge the batteries, and we're going to do it again. Have a good day.